Hello friends, welcome to our channel Zero Negativity. In today's episode, we talk about billion-dollar industries, that is drone manufacturing. In future, drones are doing very important role. Now, these industries compared to EV segments, both are future. So today we see drone industries analysis and drone manufacturing and invested stocks in stock market. Drones are officially known as unmanned aircraft systems and are beneficial for different sectors depending on their needs. These sectors include transportation, agriculture, law enforcement, surveillance, and most important of all, take for example Zomato and Swiggy. Both these online food aggregators are discussing food delivery via drones. Companies involved in the drone industries in India have cited a huge relief after government announced new drone rules last month on 26th August. India's commercial drone market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 12.4% during 2022-2026. Based on types, rotary blade drones dominated the India commercial drone market share in 2019 owing to its special advantage of vertical landing and takeoff. Also, they to hover at one particular point and are best suited for the short-range applications. However, significant growth in recorded in fixing wing drones on account of its simple structure and longer duration at high speed. Commercial drones are widely accepted and implemented across several verticals. However, mapping and surveying hold the majority of revenue share due to high accuracy and quality provided by such a drone with relatively less manpower and low cost. Recently, the Government of India has employed a drone for 3D digital mapping for road widening in the Allahabad highway. Further, filming and photography application has also registered significant share in India commercial drone market. 2019. The drone industries in India is expected to gain momentum. India is estimated to develop a multi-billion dollar drone industries in this decade. According to the Global Market Intelligence and Advisory firm, the global drone market, which is currently dominated by US, China, and Israel, will touch US 28.47 billion this year, and India will comprise about 4.2% of that. The foundation of growth has been laid by the new drone rules 2021. With a rising number of drone training institutes, India will not be far behind. The new drone rule aim to is the process of using drone in India for various purposes, including non-commercial use. Under the new rules, you will not need any security clearance to operate and fly tiny drones. In addition, the government is carving out drones corridor to facility delivery of cargo deliveries. Now look at the first stock, Nakuri.com. Info Edge has an in-depth understanding of the Indian consumer internet domain. With year of experience in the domain, strong cash flow generation, and a diverse business portfolio, it one of the very few profitable pure-play internet companies in the country. The company was incorporated on May 1, 1995 under the Company Act 1956 as InfoEdge Private Limited, became a public limited company on April 27, 2006, starting with a classified recruitment online business. Naukri.com InfoEdge has grown and diversified rapidly, setting benchmark as a pioneer for others to follow. Today, it is India's premier online classified company in recruitment, matrimony, real estate, education, and related service. Network of 62 offices located in 43 cities throughout India. InfoEdge has 4,049 employees engaged in innovation, product development, integration with mobile and social media, technology and technology operation, research and development. quality assurance, sales, marketing, and payment collection. It has also forays abroad in the Gulf market with the website of www.nakurigulf.com and currently has office Dubai, Bahrain, Riyadh, and Abu Dhabi. Majorly Info is working for themes. One is recruitment. Online recruitment classified www.nakuri.com, a clear market leader in the Indian e-recruitment space. Additionally, Info Edge provided job seekers value order services. Nakuri fast forward as a resume writing. Matrimony. Online matrimony classifieds www.jeevansandhi.com is among the top 3 in India's online matrimonial space and has offline Jeevan Sandhi, Match Point and franchises. Next one, real estate. Online real estate classified www.99acres.com is India's largest property marketplace covering almost all the major cities under the large number of agents and developers. Education. Online education classified www.shiksha.com is the smartest gateway for students to achieve their goal. The company's spirit to entrepreneurship has been evident to investment. It also made in early stage companies startup venture to tap into the growing and vibrant Indian internet market. Currently, the company has investment in Zomato Media Private Limited, Apple City Learning System Private Limited, Enhance Marketing and Consultancy Private Limited, Kainobio Software Private Limited, Canvera Digital Technology Private Limited, Happily Unmarried Marketing Private Limited, and Goa-based Mint Bird Technology Private Limited, Mumbai-based Green Leaves Consumer Service Private Limited, and Rare Media Company Private Limited. Nakuri has made investment in Bengaluru-based Skylark Drones. In July 2021, Skylark drone raised US 3 million, about Rs 220 million in its pre-series A funding round co-led by InfoEdge Venture and Indian Angel Network Fund. Swiggy has partnered with Skylark to test out its drone delivery system. Founded in 2014, Skylark drones provide worksite intelligence to enable accurate business decision making using drone data. The company has offices in US and India, and it claims to be helping 100 enterprise clients who look at the returns of this company. 3-year returns 352%, 1 year 86%, year to date 36%, 3 month 18.55%, 1 month 4.99%. Look at the shareholding pattern. Promoter having 38.41%, foreign investors having 37.74%, DIL 3.27%, public 10.41%, other 0.17% of shares. Mutual fund increased stake from 10.32% to 11.35% in June 2021 quarter. Look at the revenue of this company. In 2017, 887 crore. In 2018, 988 crore. In 2019, 1150 crore. In 2020, 1311 crore. In 2021, 1120 crore. So the revenue up year by year continuously. Look at the net profit. In 2017, 146 crore. In 2018, 545 crore. In 2019, 902 crore. In 2020, due to corona outbreak, 483 crore. In 2021, 1620 crore. Profit up 4 times compared to 2020-2021. Now the stock trading around 6,600 range. 52-week high is 6,985. 52-week low is 3,362. It is a portable stock. It will give a good return in future. Next stock is, look at the returns. 3 year 213, 1 year 214, year to date 194, 3 month 17%, 1 month 30%. The name of company is DCM Stiram Industries. Market capital of this company is 932 crores. Face value 10. Book value 354.56 rupees. Dividend yield 1.40%. In the year 1889, corporate entry, the Delhi Cloth and General Mills Company Limited was founded. The entity was, after passage of several years, named as DCM Limited. DCM Serum Industries Limited is a diversified group with operations in sugar, alcohol, cogeneration of power, organic and inorganic chemicals, drug intermediate, industrial fibers, and engineering projects related to defense production. Engaged in various sectors like Daurala Sugar Work, a sprawling complex located in Daurala, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, comprising of cane sugar plant, cogeneration of power, distillery for production industrial alcohol and ethanol, and bottling portable alcohol. And another one is T-Ram Raymond's, located in Kota, Rajasthan, engaged in production of raiment, tyrocord, yarn, fabric, and nylon, chafer, and chemicals. Next one is Dragula Organic and Dragula Chemical Industries, located in Daurala, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, engaged in manufacturing of fine chemicals, new generation drugs, intermediate, and also contract manufacturing of drug intermediates. DCM Sriram have forayed into designing and developing and manufacturing multiple role tactic armored vehicle system under the brand name of Cebu. Cebu Armored Vehicle System is a first make in India venture which has unique strength and diverse future. Aim to serve the Indian Defence and Honorable Security Force and also globally export the vehicle for similar strategic purpose. DCM Stiram Industries announced an arrangement with Zyron Dynamics, a Turkish and drone manufacturer. Under this agreement, 30% of FAM shares were bought by DCM Stiram Industries for US 1 million, giving it total valuation of US 3.5 million. Under the partnership, Zyron will be providing DCM Serum Industries with technical support, and both parties will support each other in marketing the products in India and around the globe. Zyron Dynamics specializes in manufacturing small rotatory wing drones. Zyron Dynamics has been promoting small drones that is called variable volume UAVs. Look at the shareholding pattern. Promoter having 50% of stake and DAS 6.7% and public 43.21%. Revenue of this company in 2017 1,494 crore, in 2018 1,704 crore, in 2019 1,689 crore, in 2020 1,794 crore, in 2021 1,943 crores. Continuously revenue up year by year. Look at the net profit in 2017 121 crore, in 2018 57 crore, in 2019 74 crore, in 2020 95 crore, in 2021 66 crore. Now this stock trading around 540 to 550 range. 52-week high is 560, 52-week low is 135.70. So you can accumulate this stock for future. Recently given breakout, so 500 is a very good support. Whenever you saw correction in this stock, you can buy on dips. I thought today is the last date for split. Face value 10 to 2. So you can buy anytime. After split, many of companies given small correction. So you can accumulate that time also, but this is a very good stock for long run. Once they launch drones in market, the stock will fire. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and comment, hit like